Culinary nutrition is an exciting interdisciplinary research-based field with biochemical underpinnings that form a framework on which creative culinary professionals hang their artfully designed recipes. Life's Bachelors of Science in Culinary Nutrition takes this biochemical research and prepares students to leverage it as an integral part of health and healing. Our coursework focuses on culinary arts, functional nutrition, culinary nutrition, food science, sustainability, entrepreneurship, and food service management to prepare our graduates to lead the growing field of using food to promote vibrant health.
A degree from life provides more than an achievement in academics.
It represents an unrelenting pursuit of excellence in everything.
And a steadfast commitment to the innate potential inside us all.
When a group of like-minded individuals
set themselves on a path toward a common goal,
life becomes what you choose it to be.
What path will you choose to discover your lasting purpose?